So let us go start from where we have stopped from. So we're on this file and we are trying to see where the problem is, whether it is in the pubspec.yaml, but that one had no problem because when you run it, you get no error. Then when we check in our main function, let me edit this name over second one. Just give it that name. And I copy it from here, Ctrl S. Then I go to main, get to dependencies. And I change this font family. Let us try to do hot reload and we see. So still I'm not seeing any change. What would be the problem? I'm not seeing any change there. Let us first go to the other part of the image because we want to.
Let's try the image and see.
Let us use the image and we see. So for the image, what we are going to do, because we want to add an image in the body. So what we are going to do, we are going to edit our body and then we add the image there. So we have two types of image. We have the asset image and we have a network image. So maybe the challenge is here. They are telling me fail to compile the application. Let's check and see. Unable to locate asset entry in pubspec.yaml fonts. Oh, the spelling is wrong, I think. The spelling.
I'm saying regular is having some mistake. Regular.
The spelling of this one is wrong. So let me go back to the main and then I get dependencies. By getting dependencies, I can run the application. So we are going to do the same for the image. I'm going to go to the folder where my images are. But what I'm going to first do, I'm going to go to this file. So I'm going to go to the file, the name where there is the name of the file. Then I want to edit. And I create a new directory where I will save my image. And I'm going to give it a name assets. See now it is created. They are still telling me to get dependencies.
But wait.
Yes.
First go to image. I've not seen it very well.
I've just done what I did last time. You go to the name of the file, then you create a folder is called assets. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the download where I saved my images.
Yeah.
My images. So I had one. I had an image called space one. So you can either copy or you can just drag and drop it there. You can drag it and drop it. So sometimes it disturbs when you are using the computer keyboard, a laptop keyboard. So I will just copy them and I paste. This one is still running. So you can wait for it to first run. As we are copying, I can copy that one and those two. I'm going to copy those images. Then I come to our asset folder and I paste them there. I paste them, the two images there. Assets. I press OK. So now when I try to open my assets, I'm seeing space 1.jpg and I'm also seeing space 2.jpg. As this one is running, it's waiting for Chrome to open. So then we are going to do the same. We go to the pubspec.yaml file. And then we go up. I think you are seeing where there is assets. Are you seeing where there is assets?
Assets, yeah, I've seen.
I'm going to also do the same. I select it. Then still I press Ctrl// remove the comment. Then also the indentation, just one tab there. Also I do the same here. Those are two tabs. So now the indentation is okay. But you have to remember that you have saved our images in a folder called assets, not images. So I'm going to change this one to assets. And also the name of the image, the name of the first image is space1.jpg. I can remove this one. I just leave that image there. So we just save. And after saving, I go back to the main function. So again, we have to get dependencies since we have edited the pubspec.yaml. But you can first wait for our application to run, then we do that. So I think, Martha, you can share your screen. Let me first disable screen sharing. You share your screen and we solve your problem.
Okay, let me share it very fast.
Yes, you can share your screen, then you run Flutter Doctor and we see where the problem.
Okay. Okay. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, please. Okay.
So I still have issues on the indenting one.
On indenting,
Ah,
I told you first remove all the indentation.
then after?
Then you press one tab where there is fonts.
Once, eh?
Yes, then the next one, you just follow the line. The next line will be two fonts. The next one will be 3, like that.
Okay. Let me do it here.
Guys, you wait for me. I'm going to share the screen.
Okay.
If I open something to you. Anyway, I'll be discussing some. Alex, are your things working out?
Mine, I have an issue on what tabs only on the indentation, but everything is okay. Should I first share mine?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you share yours.
Okay, let me share mine. Give me a second. If us allow me.
Okay.
Semakula.
Yes, let me do that. Okay, now you can share.
Okay, I've seen. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is where I have an issue now. So I'm supposed to press Control.
So you press Control
Okay.
slash, then you press.
I've seen it.
You press Shift Tab,
Shift.
but you have waited. Okay.
Wait,
Now
wait. Let me undo it. Wait, let me undo.
You press Control forward slash, then you press Shift Tab.
I finished.
Then Shift Tab.
Shift Tab. Again.
Then for the second time, and the third time.
There.
Yes. Then.
Okay.
Then what we are going to do, first date this one.
That's font.
So from the style.
Style.
Then up the head, up to weight.
Up to wait. Highlight.
Yes, you highlight and you delete it, you remove it from there. Then you go to assets. You also remove that space from the beginning. Not from the beginning of the word, but from the beginning of that dash.
Here?
Yes. Remove that space. You do the same.
Here.
Yes.
Now
you go to fonts.
Fonts.
Beginning, and you press a tab.
Tab.
Then you go to assets and you press tabs 2 times.
Yeah, at the beginning, eh?
Yes. Then you do the same.
Even near the same.
Yes.
2 times, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
But you forgot something. There is the first font which is up. You didn't highlight it.
The first what? Font?
Yes. So first undo.
I'm undoing. Wait.
So you highlight starting from fonts, which is up.
Font. Okay. Let's see. Up to weight, eh?
Yes, up to weight.
Okay. Then tab. How many times? 3.
Until you reach the beginning of the line. Even, yeah.
Now, which one should I remove? I remove from.
You can remove from this asset, from the second asset, and you leave only one.
From here?
Yes.
All I remove.
Yeah, you remove.
So I remember you told me to come here.
You first remove the indentation from all.
All, eh?
Yes.
Thanks. Now, okay.
So now what you are going to do, you go to the first fonts, then you press 1 tab. You go to the second one, you press tab 2 times.
This one how many times? 2.
2 times. 3 times. Is it 2 times?
Wait. 1, 2. I'll press 2.
Yes.
Then the assets, how many times? 3.
Yes.
So after that, you come to upgrade, or if I add the images, the fonts.
If you have to first add the fonts there.
Okay, let me look for them. The fonts are here. I'm having this. I copy it.
You have to just no, you just write there the name, not you just. So what you can do,
Okay.
you just write there the name.
The name is dancing script.
But for you,
As the same as yours.
but for you, what you created, I'm seeing your asset folder is within the fonts, meaning that you created it wrongly.
Yeah. Okay. Let me start afresh.
But no problem.
Remove.
No problem. What we are going to do, just go there.
Yeah.
Fonts, and you type the name of that font.
Fonts.
Which is dancing script.
Here.
Yes.
I think.
Then you type there. No, not there.
It's supposed to be here.
Yeah. You go to the font family. You go to the font family, you give it the name you want.
Which name?
Any name you want, the font family. Then you
then here.
First go down. Then where there is asset. You remove that name which is there. Then you type there the other. You remove that name which is there. You replace it with the name dancing script.
Like that. Add other words.
You place it with the other name of that dancing script. Yes.
Regular. It's having some regular.
Yeah, you include it there.
Hey, let me look at it. This regular. Okay. It says / Oh, where next? Here, upgrade.
Like you can just save and then you go to main. Even your indentation here. First wait. Your indentation on the font, the second font.
This one.
Yes, add another tab.
I save.
Then you go to assets. You also add another tab.
Wait, it's first assets.
Yes, you add another tab.
You're saying I go on.
Then you go to assets, you add one tab on assets.
Okay, let me go up.
After fonts, then there is asset which is there.
Where assets? Asset is here. I've seen.
Not there. The other asset which is the font.
First put my thing to charge. Yeah?
Okay.
I'm back. You're saying what?
You go to the other asset.
On assets.
Which is under font, not that one.
Okay.
Under fonts, the other asset which is there.
This one, eh?
No. in the pubspec.yaml file.
Okay. This one.
Yes, you also had one tab there. Yeah, then you go to main and you save.
Okay, let me go to main. I go to main.
Yes. Then you go to
Yeah.
Yes, you click there. And I think no errors there.
No error. So I can now run it.
So I think now you can, now Martha can share the screen.
Okay.
Martha, you can now share the screen.
Okay. Hey guys, see my screen. Hey guys, see my screen.
Now we are seeing it.
Okay. So my problem started from here. This part, yeah. Well, I first used the clutter doctor. It showed me two issues, but then in the video that you sent, they were like, we run this Flutter Doctor Android licenses.
So
I did that, I got this.
first type the other command which I gave you.
That one, when I did it, I got this. Let me show you.
First type it again.
Again, yeah?
Yes. If you have just typed it, you can press the arrow key, then it will bring the commands you have typed instead of typing.
The arrow key. The arrow key.
On your keyboard, you have the up key.
Eh. This one, yeah?
It's wrong. First, now you have to leave a space between config after config. So you just press the left direction, edit.
Left.
Yes, on the arrow key, on those arrows.
Yes.
So move up to, I will tell you to stop. Just continue moving it.
Samakula.
Up to the, no, you are moving it so fast.
Okay, up to.
No, you just begin afresh. Start afresh.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Now you move the arrow up to before that dash before git.
This one.
Yes, that's no, like moving the left, using the left arrow up to there.
Mm.
Up to there.
Uh-huh.
Then you click on the space on your keyboard. Then press enter.
Press enter.
Yes.
Yes.
Is off.
Semakula. Semakula. Alex.
I think it's
It's
now.
off.
You wait.
Now type Flutter
Did you press
Doctor.
enter?
Now type Flutter Doctor.
Okay.
Then you leave a space. Okay, first leave that one.
I leave a space, eh?
So just leave it. Continue.
It's already
Okay.
running.
It's not running.
That's why it's right.
See?
And now you are seeing Android Studio is installed. Now in the next,
Now, okay.
now run.
This one, eh?
Now you go to the other command, which was Flutter. I think remember the other command, the Android licenses.
This one, yeah?
It is there. I
Here.
copied all of it.
Yes. You can just press the up arrow. It will bring it. Yes, that command Flutter.
Ah,
This one, yeah?
You copy it.
This one, yeah?
And then you paste it.
That's it. I ran it.
Yes. Press enter.
Yeah?
Yes. Enter.
I ran it, yeah?
You press enter.
Sema cool.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
You press enter.
I meant to run it. I pressed enter. See?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah.
Now type Flutter.
It's okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. And please share the recordings for yesterday. I didn't attend.
Okay, now we are going for another session. This one is almost getting over.
Okay.
And we complete.
Thank you very much. It's okay. Thank you very much. It's okay. Yeah, frustrated.
So we are still here, but I think this session is about to get over. So I added an image in the assets. I think you are seeing the image, which is space1.jpg. I added that image.
yeah, I'm seeing.
And when you go to my main, we want to add that image now in the main. I think you are seeing now my fonts have changed.
Yeah, I have seen.
Yeah, the fonts have now changed. After rerunning the app, now the fonts changed. That's how we change the font. You have to download the font you want, and then after downloading it, you have to include it in your font family. Then we are going to the body. I think you are seeing our body there. So I'm going to remove the text which is there, the text widget. I want to remove it from there. So it starts from here up to here. I want to remove that text image, and then I want to add an image there instead of a text image. So after child, I'm going to add the image. That is the image widget. So now inside the image widget, let me see what are they saying. So inside the image widget, we are going to add the image. That is the image property. And then after that image property, what we are going to add is called the asset image. I told you we have two types of images. We have the network image. The network image is the image which you get direct from the internet. And then the asset image is this image which you are removing, which you are getting from your asset folder. So since I'm getting this image from the asset folder, so I'm going to the asset image. So it is in the folder called assets, and the name of the image is called space1.jpg. That is the name of my image. The folder is assets. Then the name is space1.jpg. So I want to save that. Let us load that image and see. So it is not bringing anything. Unable to load the assets space1.jpg. So they are telling me that it's unable to load the image. Let us check in our pubspec.yaml and we see which image we included there. Assets space1.jpg. I can check in my assets. So they are telling me that they are unable to upload that image. So meaning that either the image is too big, but the image is there. Then we have another type of image which you call a network image. Let us first include the network image because for it you get it direct from the internet. So where there is image, I just type network image, network image. Spelling of the word network. So you want to add a network image. How do we add a network image? First of all, you have to go to the internet and you get the URL of that image. After getting the URL of that image, then you can paste it there.